Hiya guys, what's up? I'm just checking my hair length. As you can see, my hair has really grown. If you've watched my last hair care video, my hair has really grown and I'm super happy. So guys, it's been a while since I actually did I self braided my hair. So yeah, I was just sitting and thinking that I feel like every time that I retouch my hair, like I relax my hair, I need time to pamper it, to treat it and all that. So I didn't really want to have a permanent, okay, not really a permanent style, but a long-term hairstyle for now, because I've just retouched my hair like a week ago, no, a week and a half, no, 2 weeks. Yeah, I think it's 2 weeks. I just retouched my hair like 2 weeks ago. So I was thinking like I really need to pamper it first. I need to treat it then, so I don't need a style that will take me for a long time. I just need a short-term style so that I have to treat it very well again before I now go for a hairstyle that I want, because relaxed hair can be really delicate according to how we view it. But I feel like my relaxed hair journey has not been really that long, that complicated and that tricky for me. At first, I was feeling like it's really delicate and I didn't know what to do about it. I was just trying to get a hang of it. But right now, I feel like it's just like a walk in the park. As long as you just master what you're supposed to do here and there, it's nothing really hard. So I'm just starting to braid my hair. Actually, I'm twisting my hair. I think I've ever done the braiding. I did a braiding video, but it was Makeba. It was Makeba. I did a braiding video, but now I'm doing a twisting video. I've not done a twisting video on camera, and it's been a while. I even thought that I had forgotten how to braid my own hair. It's been a while since I actually braided my own hair, but guys, here I am back. So let's do this. You can just watch the video. I'll just be talking, but keep your eyes on the screen and look at what I'm doing. As you can see, I've already started twisting my hair. I don't know how I came up with this hair color. I mean, 900. I've never braided this color actually. I think I have never braided this color. I always like to go for black. Number one or number two, I always like to go for black, but somehow it just felt like, I need a change. I need a change. So that's how I ended up with this hair color, and I think I love it. It has some sort of shine, some sort of cute shine that I love. I think it's really wonderful. I'm just finishing up with my first twist right now, and as you can see, I already got the hang of it even after a long time. I think things that you've developed naturally, you never really forget about them. They just happen naturally, No matter how long it takes, you'll always have the hang of how to do it. So as you can see, my first twist is already down, and I'm just going to the second twist, so keep watching, guys. So guys, as I was telling you, I have learned with time how to take care of my relaxed hair. Like, I retouch my hair on my own and I don't find it difficult anymore. I section my hair. I put the relaxer only on the new growth. I time myself. I just straighten it out. I wash it out. I condition it. I use I shampoo it. I use the color indicator from the shampoo with a color indicator, so that I know that all the relaxer is out of my hair. And that is actually really important, because it's important that you don't over process your hair if you're having relaxed hair. So it's important that you actually use a shampoo with a color indicator when you're washing your hair after relaxing it, so that you just make sure that all the relaxer is out there. For those who've not used the color indicator shampoo before, the neutralizing shampoo before that has a color indicator, it's usually when your hair has relaxer on it, it will the shampoo foam will turn pink. So you continue washing your hair until it's white. Then you know that all the relaxer is out there, because again, you don't want to harm your scalp by leaving the relaxer on, and also you don't want to over process your hair, because over processing the hair will make your hair weak. So lately I've been using the no lie relaxer from Dark and Lovely. When I started relaxing my hair, I used to use the TCB lie relaxer, but then I realized that my hair is not that coarse. So, and the TCB lye relaxer was really harsh on my hair. I think it was making my hair weak, so I stopped using the TCB and I moved to the Dark and Lovely No Lye relaxer that actually has 3 steps. Yeah, it actually has 3 steps, I think. It has the 3 steps, yes. So yeah, so you have the relaxer cream, then you have the activating cream. So you mix the two, then they form now your relaxer cream. Then now you relax your hair. Then they also have a neutralizing shampoo that comes with the relaxer kit. I really love it. I love how the Dark and Lovely relaxing kit is. So you use the neutralizing shampoo to wash out your relaxer, and you wash your hair until the neutralizing shampoo form is not turning pink anymore, meaning that all the relaxer is out of your hair, to just avoid over processing your hair. Then once you are done with that, they have a restorative treatment. Yes, restorative treatment. That is, I think, step number 3. Yeah. So you apply the restorative treatment on your hair after shampooing, of course, and it's clean. You apply the restorative treatment, then you leave it for about, they always recommend about 5 minutes, then you wash it off. What I do is I apply the restorative treatment on my hair. I cover it with a cling film, as I always use. Then I cover it, of course, with a shower cap and a heat cap. Then I sit under the heat cap for about half an hour at the very most, but mostly I only sit for 15 minutes. Then after that, of course, I go wash off the treatment. Okay, for those who are wondering how I actually deep condition or treat my hair, I have a thermal, is it a not a thermal cap, it's a heat cap. Yeah, the one that you just wear on your head is connected to electricity, and it emits heat, and it just works very well the same way a dryer works in the salon. All right, okay, so that's how I treat my hair. So I wash off the restorative treatment from my hair. Then now I'll go ahead and deep condition my hair. So after my restorative treatment is out of my hair, then I now apply a deep conditioner, and I like to use the deep conditioner, deep conditioner. I like to use the deep conditioner from Africa's Originals. I think they have a very good deep conditioner. I just love it. So I apply it on my hair, sit under the heat cap again for another half an hour, and after I am done, then I'll now wash my hair. Then I wash the deep conditioner off. Then I apply the wash off conditioner. So that one, I'll just apply the wash off conditioner. Usually I like to apply the wash off conditioner as I take a shower. Then I take a shower, because you really want to just refresh after all that process, to be honest. So I take a shower while the wash off conditioner is on my head. Once I'm done taking a shower, then I'll just stand under the shower, the overhead shower, and just have my water dripping all the way from my head to my toe. And I think for someone who actually has long hair, it's actually a good feeling when you can actually wash your body all the way from the head to the toe. It feels awesome, especially just standing under the overhead shower and having water just run on your head. It feels nice, and I usually love washing my hair for that purpose. It feels good. So after I'm done washing off the conditioner and just getting clean and all that, of course, I'll get out of the shower, do my skincare and everything that I have to do. Then now I cover my hair with, dry your hair. Avoid drying your hair with a towel, kindly. I feel like it's too harsh on your hair, and it tends to pluck off part of your hair that you're trying to maintain. When your hair is wet, it's really weak. It's really fragile, and you have to take care of it. So I actually recommend that you use an old t-shirt. That's actually a good start. Use an old t-shirt. That's a good thing. So use it to dry off your hair. So the next thing after dry off an hair using an old t-shirt or whatever you decide to use, I now go to part 4 of the relaxer kit, no lye relaxer kit, which is the leave-in treatment, I think, if I'm not wrong. It's the leave-in treatment. So I apply it on my hair. then I just let it dry. After I relax my hair, I honestly don't see the need for blow drying my hair because, well, it's already straight, and I think it's at a very fragile state, and I don't really like to apply too much heat on my head unless it's really, really necessary. So I just prefer to just let it dry naturally, and yeah, style as desired and all that, as all the hair products usually say, style as desired. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm already almost halfway through my head with my twisting, and yeah, I think I'm going at a very, very good pace, and I love it. I'm enjoying the thing. It's been a long time, and I'm enjoying it. Honestly, I am enjoying braiding my hair. It's been a long time. It's been really a long time, and I think that it's actually good practice for me. I think that if you realize that you have a certain skill that you've developed naturally, it's actually good that you water. Is it watering it? Is that the right term, guys? I think it's really that you practice and you perfect it, because you never know when it's gonna help you. I feel like when I become a mom, which I really hope that I be soon, and especially if I become a mom to a young girl, I'll have an easier time taking care of their hair because of skills that I've developed taking care of hair. Because I'm not looking at a situation where I'm cutting my baby girl's hair. Why will I do that? So when I become a mom, I think that these are some of the skills that will help me take care of my kids' hair, especially my princess. Can't wait to be a mom, guys. Honestly, I can't wait to be a mom so that I can take care of my girl's hair and just take care of, angels. I think it's a good thing. It's really a good thing. Anyway, that was just a by the way. So I'm already halfway my head. As you can see, it's going well. It's going well, and it doesn't even look hard. So if you think sometimes you don't even realize that we have some skills. Personally, I didn't even realize that I could braid my own hair until just last year, when I realized that I actually braid my own hair. Okay, I used to braid the to local matutas at home, but it never really hit me that I can actually braid my whole head, honestly. So yeah, I'm already halfway through. So ta-da! That is it. I had to do the other half of camera because it could have taken about 3 hours here, and I can't record all that. That will be really, really hectic. So I am done twisting my whole hair, as you can see. So I'm just gonna tie it up. Guys, I don't know if you've braided your hair in a salon, this is the worst stage. The part that now the hair is being tied up. If I braid my own hair, it's not really that tight, which is actually recommended so that you don't end up breaking your hair. But when you go to the salon, they want to do a perfect job, so they really braid it so tightly. So for me, this is usually the worst stage in a salon. The part that they're trying to tie up your braids or tie up whatever thing you've braided, it's like the worst part for me in a salon. It usually feels so painful. You don't know what to feel. You don't know what position to sit. You just don't know how to be comfortable in an uncomfortable situation. It's usually very, very painful. If you know, you know. Okay, I don't know if it's everyone, but for me, this is the most uncomfortable stage in a salon. Tying up my hair, tying up my braids. That's the worst part of being in a salon. But when it's me, I've braided my own hair, it's literally painless. As you can see, I'm just having a good time just tying, holding them up. I'm not having a hard time, to be honest. It's always painless, it's not tight, and it's actually recommended. Actually, girls, I recommend that when you go to a salon, it's good that you let your salonist know that you don't want your hair being super tight, because you are risking losing your hair. And if you don't maintain the little growth that you're getting, then the little length that you have, then you'll never grow your hair. Most of us actually complain that our hair is not growing, but we are losing the growth that we get. We are losing it through tight hairstyles. We are losing it through heat, a lot of heat. We are blow drying our hair too much. We are exposing our hair to too much heat, and we are losing a lot of growth, so we are not seeing any progress in our hair. But then, since I started taking care of my hair, I have seen very, very positives in my hair. I've seen a lot of positive. I've seen growth, something that I've waited for years. So yeah, I'm just tying up my hair. I'm using a rubber band, because again, you don't want to tie it up so tightly. You want to just keep your hair comfortable. I hate it that sometimes you go to the salon, it's tied up so tightly, and you're trying to tell me, no, don't tie it, and it's so uncomfortable. Then it's really a process. Being a girl and slaying is not as easy as it sounds. So yeah, I've tied up my hair, so I just want to create a band with the hair, because again, I'll just sleep after this, because it's been quite a process. It's so hard. As you can see, it's not as hard as it usually looks. It's just a simple process. If you just master the skill, you can do this on your own perfectly. So yeah, that is it, guys. That's my final look. So to make it even better, because I usually don't like to braid my baby hairs, I don't force my baby hairs into the braids, into the twists, or into the whatevers, because again, I'm not trying to hurt myself. I am not trying to break my hair. I like to take care of my edges, because my baby hair is usually very, very weak, or my hair at the front is usually very, very weak, especially at the sides. So I usually don't like to force it into the braid, then, because I just end up losing it, and it's not really helpful, honestly. So I'm just applying my styling gel. And since I feel really tired, I'm not gonna tie it up so that it dries off and looks good. I'm just applying my styling gel just like that, as you can see. And my baby hairs really behave. When they're told to behave, when they're told to move right, they go right. When they're told to go left, they go left. They're really obedient. So that's actually my final look. I know it doesn't look perfect because I'm tired and I couldn't just style it well, so I'm tired. But guys, I came up with that on my own, as you have seen, and you too can always just try to practice these skills. I tell everyone that when you're just free and you're home, and maybe you're looking for employment and you've not found employment, or you've not found something to do, sometimes we don't realize that we have skills that could help us make some income. So it's good that if you realize that there's something that you can do with yourself, practice it, perfect it, keep practicing it until you're perfect. And once you are good at it, just make it your source of income, because the best way to earn is when you're earning from something that you actually enjoy doing. It's awesome. It's really, really awesome to earn from something that you enjoy doing. So that was it, guys. I'm really, really glad that you stayed with me till the end. If you're still here and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel for more content in the future. Okay, for more content in the future. My skincare gang, as you can see, we are doing good. So yeah, keep watching my videos. Thank you for staying with me till the end. I am so glad that you are here. Till next time, bye.